away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the pieces how we play. Sit right next to you.
Hey guys, it's me Rachel, and today I'm back with another video for you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my clip-ins from Amazing Beauty Hair. I don't really do too much styling to them. I just kind of am wearing them straight today. Commercial break. I just wanted to interrupt to show you guys. I actually ended up waving my hair with this deep waver. If you guys want a video on that, let me know. But these are my extensions deep waved. I just figured I would show you guys because it's the same day and I didn't end up wearing my hair straight because I wasn't really feeling it. Yeah, that's why you might see the thumbnail with crimped hair, and in the video it's not. But if you guys want a video on how I do this, just let me know. But I am wearing their set that came pre-balayaged, and this is the B2 to number 6 color. And I will explain later, but I did kind of color them myself as well at home to kind of match my hair a little bit better. But I also yesterday used the Fanola shampoo, so I think the color might be a little bit off, but we're gonna make it work today because I need to film and take pictures. So, but I will also be doing a giveaway in this video. I tried out the Mini Zone straightening brush, so you guys will get to see me try that, and then I'll be giving one away. So if you guys would like to see how I install my clip-ins and how I use the little Mini Zone brush, then just keep watching. Okay y'all, so let's get right into it. These are my clip-ins, and this is about 16 inches of hair. In that first Color My Hair With Me video, I got this set of clip-ins from Amazing Beauty, and they were already balayaged, but I needed them to match my hair. So she went ahead and colored them for me, and that's what it turned out to be. So she basically darkened them. So if you guys watched that video, she only used maybe 5 clip-ins in my hair. Since I went back for a second like bleaching, I decided to just tone them myself because I feel like that's not as difficult. I don't know, they're a little bit closer to my hair color. So I just went ahead and toned them myself. So between those 2 sets that I have this much hair left over. Each set comes with 7. I have 9 pieces of hair, so that means she used she used about 5. I actually just cut the last like 18-inch pieces that I had from the last time that I hadn't used and turned them into 16, so I feel like that's a good length for me. Hopefully that's not too confusing, but basically I had 2 sets of clip-ins, 14 pieces. Half of them I colored to match my first hair color, and then the other half I colored to match this hair color. Before I start putting them in, I usually go through each clip-in with my straightener, but today I'm going to be trying out something new. So this is the Mini Zone Queen hair straightening brush, and I'm going to unbox it with you guys. I haven't seen it or anything, and we're going to test it out and see how it works on the clip-ins, and then I'm probably going to run it through my hair really quick because I don't feel like re-straightening my hair. From their website, it says that this has ion technology to seal the hair cuticle, trapping moisture and making the hair softer, shinier, and smoother. It says that it's quiet. You can straighten your hair without any noise, but I don't know. I feel like most straighteners are pretty quiet. It has advanced technology to stimulate the blood flow in your scalp and to keep your hair follicles healthy. It has 2 style modes. You can straighten or slightly curl or combine them anytime. And also make sure you stick to the end because I will be giving one away. I have 2. So yeah, I guess this can be like my 70,000 subscriber giveaway. Thank you guys so much. I'm so excited. So yeah, hopefully it works because I have one for you guys. And I haven't opened it. I don't know why it's open. Okay, so, ooh, looks cute so far. This is what the box looks like. And inside you get this card. It said lifetime warranty. So get a glove, and then you get 2 of these hair clips, which I love these. I use them every day. I'm actually gonna use them today, so let me not lose them. And then you get a cute carrying bag for your brush. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, I guess it like heats up in there, and then like you run your hair through it and it like straightens it. So I'm gonna turn that all the way up. I'll wait on it to heat up. I'm gonna start sectioning off my hair. I always start in the back, and I'm not gonna turn around and show like a back view because it's really, guys, trust me, it's super self-explanatory, and I can't even see the back of my own head, so trust me, like, it's fine. Out of my extensions, I always grab a 2-clip weft. Like I said, these are 2 sets put together, so that's why I have the amount of pieces that I do. This is what a 2-clip weft looks like, and I'm gonna clip it right where I just parted my hair, and I'm gonna try this brush out. Oh, wow. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's pretty hot in there. So now I'm gonna clip it in, and then that is the bottom one. Now we're gonna grab another 2-clip weft, and we're gonna go right on top of that. There's 2. Now I'm gonna go right back in with another 2-clip weft, and I'm gonna put it right on top of the other one. I'm gonna put a 3-clip weft on top of that one. I'm gonna keep doing 3-clip wefts. This is what they look like, by the way. I'm going to focus more on like this side because, as you guys can see, y'all know. The only thing I did to these clip-ins was wash them. I air dried them for a little while, and then I used a brush blow dryer on them. I didn't straighten them with like a straightener, but they are a little bit straighter from me using the blow dryer. I'm gonna do another 3-clip weft, but on the right side of my head. So now I have 3 2-clip wefts left, and I don't know if I'm gonna use all 3, but I'm definitely gonna use 2. I'm gonna put one on this side and one on this side to kind of blend this in. So I think I'm gonna leave out this last one, so I have a total of 8 in my hair. Okay, so now I gotta go figure out how I'm gonna style my hair and use my real flat iron to get my edges. But I just wanted to do a quick overview of this little mini zone. I think it's really, really cute. I think it's nice for straightening your hair touch-ups. I don't think that it's good for curly or straight, but like for what I did today, I think it definitely helped me out a little bit. So yeah, if you guys would like to know how to win this, stay tuned to the end and I will let you guys know everything you need to know.
Whoever thought a guy would want a girl like me? Whoever thought that I would fall so easily? Whoever thought that we would finally come to be? I guess they just don't know how much you mean to me. Whoever thought that they would have so much to say? We'll go on anyway. It's alright, it's okay. Take whatever comes our way. Together we will stay. I got 3 words to say. Never say never. I can't believe they stopped our happiness, but trying to pull us down with such mess. Why can't they let us live just like the rest and keep us out of all this crazy madness? And when they talk, I think it's just a shame that all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is mainly sit and think about my baby and me. And baby, they can't believe it. You and me are together. That's why they should have never said never. Yeah. There were times when we thought that you and me could never be together. That's why we should have never said never. Said never.
Okay y'all, that's all for today's video. If you guys would like to win the brush, I will leave the giveaway rules down below, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be comment a question down below for a Q&A, which I know I always have this rule for giveaways and I never do them, but I'm going to do them this time. When you're done leaving your comment, be sure to leave your Instagram, because the second rule is to follow me on Instagram and subscribe. And I think that will be about it for the giveaway rules. You guys can follow Amazing Beauty here too. I'll leave their link down below, and then Mini Zone if they have one. I think I'll leave this one up until October. Let's do Halloween. On Halloween I'll announce the winner, and that will be that. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much to Amazing Beauty for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.